that way I get enough exercise on the bike. Hopefully I can just gain some strength to it. I'm not going to work. No. I don't work today. It's Thursday. I mean, no, it's Wednesday. Why did I get Thursday and Wednesday mixed up? I figured I'd go biking around the neighborhood, like I said previously. It's really a perfect day, and a perfect time right now for a bike ride. Yep. Sure is. Maybe I'll just do laps around the neighborhood while biking. That would be a lot of fun. Yeah. So this is definitely lap 1. I started from house, Harville. Now, all I have to do is go on my first lap. I really don't want anyone to, I don't know, I just hope nothing happens while I'm biking. Because I've never done this before. Me biking, when doing laps around my neighborhood, I've never done this before. So, this might be my first time doing it. So I figured why not? Get a lot of exercise out of me. And as soon as that sun rises, then it will definitely be beautiful to see the sun rise up. I think I'll do 10 laps around the neighborhood. So this will be the first lap I'm doing, so I have 9 to go. Gotta watch for cars, people in general. Have to watch for all of that. So I figured I would just go do my biking around 10 laps around the neighborhood. Figured I'd go way down there. Yeah, that'd be a good idea. There it is. Where am I? Oh, there's a plane flying. Oh, there's some birdies. Just going in that desert, in that area, in that field. Indeed they are. I love nature. I love it. Always do. I should do my workouts every morning. So that way I don't have to worry about sleeping in every single time. I should have got some sleep this morning. I should have. Well, I mean last night I should have gotten some sleep. Sucks that I have to deal with it. Oh well. I'll live with it. Yeah. Figured why not? Just live with it. Just live with it. And get it over with. I could see that radar far away from here. I could see it moving by spinning. I figured I see it over there. From where I'm at, I can see it. Hope no one's trying to come out and say something to me, because I don't want that. Hello. I think that's some of those people. Yeah. Oh dear. I'm gonna get off the sidewalk. Run that over. Okay, let's get off the sidewalk for that part. I absolutely love biking, because I always gain a lot of strength from it. I always enjoy it. The sun will be coming up any moment. I figured I scared my bird off. Sorry, little birdie. My bad. I knew it was gonna fly away like that. So I must have scared it. Hopefully it'll be raining soon, I hope. Why is the camera like that? I don't know why it was tilt like that. I don't know why. Like, seriously. Does it really have to be tilted like that? Why did someone leave a chair there? What the hell? Okay, it's working. Good. I had to do that. Where's that lady? Oh well. Just doing my laps from here and from the what's it called? From where I started at to the duplex. Hello. Kind of funny. They're cute though, I guarantee that. I guarantee myself that. Nope, didn't. By the time I get done with my laps, definitely gonna put all the footage on my computer, put it all together, upload it to YouTube, and possibly I also am achieving my goal to reach 100 days of biking. I love biking, no matter what. Biking helps me a lot. It has helped me ever since I started biking when I was very little. It was the very first time I started biking. Yeah. Be very careful. Just don't want to hit any mailbox or car or whatever. I just gotta look out for them, that's why. Just to make sure no car comes. When is that coming? Good. It's better to look both ways. So that way I don't have to worry about. Well, actually, I changed my mind. I'm actually gonna do the laps I changed will be 5 laps. So this is the first lap I'm finishing up. So I got 4 to go. So I finished up the first lap, now onto the second lap. So I got 3 laps to go. So I finished the first lap, so I got 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got 4 to go. Oh crap. This car was coming that way. Didn't want to get hit by it. Oh boy. Sorry, sir. I was getting off the sidewalk. Sorry about that. I was getting off the sidewalk.
Oh, yeah, no. She just didn't know what was going on.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw you guys.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Have a good day. Yeah. Have a good day. I figured I saw the bed there. It was doggy. It's a good thing I got 4 laps to go. I figured I'd change my laps from 10 to 5. 5 will do. Yeah. The only problem I don't want is my bike wheels to go flat. I don't want that to happen. No. I really don't feel comfortable going back to the bike shop and getting my bike fixed. I like taking the bike into the bike shop. The people there are nice. I like that. Just I don't like taking my bike to the bike shop every single time to get it fixed. It's just not worth it. Nope, it ain't. I figured it would just be better. I just not do that. And there's that sun rising right now. That is beautiful. That is very pretty. See that beautiful sun rising right now? It's really cool to see it. It's epic. Should have worn my sunglasses. Dang it! Oh well. What matters is I'm alive and well. Yep. I obviously like biking on my bike. I always do. It helps me gain strength with my legs. That way I can use them to like run more faster and not have any wiggly legs either. Because obviously it's not fun to have the legs feel like they're gonna wiggle like cheese or string cheese, whatever. because it'll not be so fun to have string cheese legs or wiggle legs, because it's really not that fun. Nope, it ain't that fun. Nope, no, it ain't. Because obviously it would not be that fun to have legs wiggle that tirely, because it's honestly, people who have legs that get tired will possibly shake or wiggle like cheese. So it's better to get out and do exercises, like go on a bike ride, or run, or go for a jog, or go for a run, or go out to a sporting event, or go play a sporting game like football, or pickleball, or any type of sport that are useful. There's some people. I'm gonna get on this side, so that way I can get them over. That's why. Figured I saw these people. Yeah, I figured I saw them. I didn't feel comfortable just running them over. I don't want that. Okay, well, I'll go this way. I see more people walking their dogs. Like, this is what I like. Every morning, people should just get out of their bed and go out for a walk, or go jogging, go for a bike ride. Any of those things would help. Yep. Just like those guys. I'm gonna just look. Figured out some of these people there. Next show, I'll just do 2 laps this time. I'll just do 2 laps. I changed my mind. I know I changed my mind again, so figured why not? Just 2 laps and that will be it. Yeah. 2 laps would be a better idea this time. Because 10 laps or 5 laps now, those are not a good idea. Nope. I would probably be getting sick. I would probably get dehydrated. I actually have a bottle of water, so never mind. I have a bottle of water. But the point is, I'd just rather stay safe due to this extreme heat that's going on right now. I really don't like the heat. I really don't like it. I don't know about whoa dear. This whistle would still, I just hopefully get a chance of rain soon, I hope. Because that would be really nice if we did. So that way, you don't have to deal with any of the dry heat. That's why. Because the more drier it gets, the more people are gonna start drinking a lot of water and trying to keep themselves hydrated and possibly use the ACs in their houses. And possibly use the fans to keep them cool and all of that. That's what I am kind of afraid of. But to be honest with myself, I know for sure people really need to start drinking a lot of water. Due to this extreme heat that's going on right now, people should start drinking a lot of water often. So that way we don't have to worry about suffering from dehydration or getting sick or getting high fever or any of those things. This is not good. Nope. Man. I like going on bike rides, like I said previously this morning, or earlier. I saw those people over here earlier with their dogs. I guess they left. I'm not worried about it. No, I'm not. I thought that was my phone at first. Oh wait, no, it's coming from the cemetery. Oh well. Good thing it wasn't my phone going off. If it was, then I would check it. That's why. But good thing it wasn't my phone going off. Because my phone oftenly does that. So I just gotta be sure it's not going off. But what matters the most is that I enjoy going on my bike rides. I enjoyed it. I enjoy this. This is what I like about the morning, is going on a bike ride. And yeah, the sun is officially rising up now. I can see the sun reflecting on these houses right now. On these condominiums. I cannot pronounce that right. Oh well. You can see the reflection of the light that's reflected from the sun. When I get to that starting point I just started at, I'm going to end it there by ending with doing 2 laps around the neighborhood. That's why I figured, why not? Go. I'm gonna pull over right here. That was fun. Check how many laps I've done. Jeez, I've been biking for 23 minutes, almost 40 seconds. Look, well, I guess I've been riding my bike for 23 minutes and 40 seconds. Been biking for 3.76 miles. Been biking for 5.9 miles per hour. An average speed of biking was 9.5 miles per hour. Burned over 90 calories. Let's check the other thing. So my pace is 10 minutes and 8 seconds. Average pace 6 minutes and 18 seconds. Max pace 4 minutes and 26 seconds. Oh my gosh. My max speed is 13.5 miles per hour. Holy moly. Man, I've been biking for 23 minutes. Holy moly. Holy jeez. Well, I'm gonna finish it up today. That was fun.